Meaning of Hartlepool.
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 Hartlepool. Hartlepool is a coastal town in northeast England. Its name likely originates from two Old English words meaning stag and pool. The town has a long history, dating back to the 7th century when it was a monastery settlement. Hartlepool played an important role during the Industrial Revolution and grew into a major center for shipbuilding and fishing. Today, the town is an important transport hub and home to a thriving port and chemical industry. It is also famous for its historic quayside, art galleries, and stunning beaches.